Hello and welcome to today's demo. In this demo, we shall go through a use case to demonstrate the two new adapters that we have released as part of 2310, which are GCP Storage and SFMC. Before going through the use case, let's see what are the high-level features that we have implemented as part of these adapters. In the SFMC, which is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we support multiple business objects, assets, contacts, campaign categories, data extension, event definitions, and journeys. We support all the CRUD operations for these business objects. And from the security policy, OAuth 2.0, client credentials, and auth code credentials. And as part of further releases, we are planning to implement inbound events and pagination support for the campaigns. And we have also listed few common use cases. Let's now see what's there in GCP Storage Adapter. It supports uploading and downloading structured and non-structured data. As part of structured, we are supporting only JSON format currently, and we perform operations on the bucket, object, access controls, and notification, etc. And we support all create, update, get, list, delete, and patch on the selected resource via adapter. And from the security policies, we are supporting OAuth code credentials at the invoke. Let's now get into the use case, which is syncing campaign data to SFMC from Snowflake via GCP Storage. This is a scheduled based integration. Once the integration gets scheduled, OIC invokes the Snowflake application using Snowflake adapter. The Snowflake adapter performs the bulk export operation using a feature called external stage. Using the external stage feature, Snowflake exports the data into the GCP storage directly. Once the file has been successfully placed into the GCP storage, it will be notified to OIC saying with the file name and the successfully placed the file information. And the OIC uses GCP storage adapter here to pull the file from the GCP storage and process it to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let's now quickly review the integration that we have developed to achieve this use case. This is a scheduled based integration. Once the integration has been scheduled, OIC invokes the Snowflake application using the Snowflake adapter, and it uses the bulk export concept using the external stage to GCP storage. We have another operation in the Snowflake adapter, which keeps checking the status of the bulk export. Once the status of the bulk export has been successful, you get a notification, and using that notification, you can even identify what is the file name that has been placed into the GCP storage. That particular file name is being captured into the mapper and then given it to the storage adapter. So let's quickly check it out what's there in the mapper. So here the file name has been mapped with the response that has been provided by Snowflake adapter, and it's been mapped to object name. You can even map to the bucket name as well. But in this case, I've hard coded the bucket name, or I have selected it from the GCP storage adapter, and the object name will be overwritten at the runtime. So let's now quickly check it out what's there in the GCP storage wizard. So I can even select what are all the different resources, buckets, objects, and notification. Here I have selected the objects, and I have selected an operation called download object. What does it do? It downloads the object into your stage file. I can even select the bucket and the object. So I have selected the bucket which we are using it for this integration, or even you can get it from the Snowflake response and then map it to the GCP. Once the data has been downloaded, it is staged into the VFS location. And using the stage file, you unzip the data as the file is being zipped, and then read the file into the required schema format. And now upload the data into the SFMC. So let us quickly check out what's there in the SFMC adapter wizard. It has multiple business objects, all the CRUD operations to each business object. So now let's go ahead and execute end to end. I have now activated the integration. Before go ahead and execute my integration, let me quickly check it out if there are any campaigns that are available in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I don't see any campaign available in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So let me also go into the Snowflake and let me run this, the query to make sure I have the enough data to pull the information from the Snowflake. So I will also quickly go ahead and show you whether I have any information that is available in the cloud storage of GCP. So I don't see any information that is available in the cloud storage. So let me go ahead and run the integration. Started executing. I see multiple iterations that are happening to pull the data and post it. Let us go ahead and check it out whether the file is there in the storage. Great. The file has been already exported into the storage by Snowflake adapter. And now let's go ahead and check it out whether any campaigns got created here in the SFMC. I can now see the campaign information that is posted into the SFMC. That's all for today's demo. Thank you.